Hey everyone, I'm Mark, and I put some new fans in this Power Mac G5. Some of you may know this line of computers is notoriously noisy, so it obviously takes away from the fun of using a computer like this. But what if we address this? Today, I'll show you the parts that I used, how I did it, the why, and the results. I'll start with the why. One computer modification led to another, and this became a computer I wanted to interact with more. I wanted to be able to use it for long periods of time without hearing the really loud fans. I'm somebody who prefers to have my computer on my desk rather than sitting on the floor, and it's a pretty good looking computer. I don't want to get this thing more scuffed up. A total of 7 new fans were installed. 6 of these replaced previous OEM fans, and 1 is an additional that I put on my own. I used 4 92mm BeQuiet Pure Wings 2 fans, 2 80mm fans of the same brand, and a single 120mm blower style fan mounted in the front, which I'll get to later. The 4 92mm fans cost $50 altogether, the 2 80mm fans cost $25, and the 120mm fan cost $15. Each fan altogether averages out to $12.87 at the time of doing this project. Total cost including tax about $100. With the help of some diagrams, I spliced the positive, negative, and fan control wires from the onboard connections to the fans. I was able to find the markings for the proper connections right under the fan stickers as well. Unfortunately, after testing, I was unable to get the variable voltage input working with these fans. As a result, these specific fans are running at a maximum speed at all times, idle or not. Now the 120mm fan is a different ordeal altogether. It's actually just a regular USB fan. All I did was route the cable out the back and into this USB port. On the front CPU fan assembly, there are multiple connectors to the positive 12 volt terminal as well as the negative ground terminal. This will be good for multiple individual wires to the 2 individual fans. On the rear CPU assembly, the 12 volt terminal is the 3rd from right, the negative ground terminal is 3rd from left. Just like on the front CPU fan assembly, there are multiple wires for both terminals. For the hard drive bay fan that isn't a blower style, the positive terminal will be all the way on the right, the negative ground terminal is 2nd from right. For the PCI bay fan, the negative ground terminal is 2nd from right, and the positive 12 volt terminal is on the rightmost side. Not that I ever recommend doing this, but you can simply hear the difference in sound just by stopping this fan. And the fans are kicking up. Take a listen to that. It's a lot quieter. Now before I end this video, I wanted to talk about a couple quirks I didn't get a chance to address earlier. Holding down the 120mm blower fan is 2 pieces of metal. I also have a piece of tape on the opposite side. It's cut out so this way the air doesn't escape. Also, I replaced the battery. I don't have the purple battery anymore. I realized later I could have bought a different type of battery, but this is what I ended up settling on for the time being.
On Tenerife Island. The Canaries Astrophysics Institute was one of the groups exploring the cave.
Thank you everyone for taking the time out of your day to watch this computer project of mine. Please leave a like as it helps the algorithm, leave a comment, and subscribe to see more ideas like this.